She's not your future. She's not your assignment. She's not your problem anymore. She's your ex, and there's a reason. Don't romanticize it. Don't reopen it. And don't let your flesh rewrite history just because your pride is lonely. You left because it was broken. You walked because it was toxic. You broke it off because Yahweh made it clear she was not the one. So why are you still watching her stories? Why are you still responding to just checking on you texts? Why are you still wondering what if, when Yahweh already said don't go back? Men lose years trying to fix what was already buried. They lose peace trying to resuscitate a dead connection. And they lose their calling trying to rewrite a chapter that Yahweh himself ended. She's called your ex for a reason. And the more you try to force her into your future, the more you block the blessing that was meant to replace her. You don't need closure. You need conviction. You don't need one last talk. You need discipline. You don't need to see how she's doing. You need to stay focused on what you're building, because while you're looking backward, your purpose is getting further ahead, and some blessings won't wait for a man who keeps turning around. Remember Lot's wife, Luke 17:32. She looked back and turned to stone, paralyzed, frozen in her past. Don't make the same mistake. The next time you're tempted to reach out, to just check in, to see if the door is still open, remind yourself, she's called an ex for a reason. Don't open doors that Yahweh already locked. Don't dig up graves he already covered. And don't ever forget who you became the moment you walked away.